Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Judy, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Today I want to show you guys how I make magwinya, okay? A few weeks ago, oh my gosh, I can't stop laughing. A few weeks ago, I tried, okay? I attempted to do a magwinya, but then I didn't have enough oil because your girl was using olive oil. And when you cook magwinya, you don't want to use olive oil, okay? You don't even want to use butter either. Don't use butter. Apparently, I was supposed to use a cheap version of oil, this cooking oil, instead of olive oil. I was supposed to baptize magwinya in oil, basically. I was just supposed to take the magwinya and just hoy them in oil, suffocate them with oil. But instead, what I did is I used the frying pan instead of a big pot. But today, I'm prepared, okay? I didn't even knit the dough myself. I bought it at Checkers just to make sure I don't fuck it up this time. So I bought the dough, I bought the oil. I have a big pot with me over here. And apparently the last time I used too much heat. So today I'm gonna use medium heat and I'm gonna hoy the oil, put in a lot of oil, and then yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm actually nervous and I'm hungry at the same time. So today I can't afford to fuck it up. Last time I fucked it up, but today I'm here to redeem myself, okay? I'm here to redeem myself. Even though the last time we shorter, but we move, okay? We move, we learn every day. So I'm gonna try my best to follow what Twitter people were saying because I posted it on Twitter and they chowed me, okay? They literally, hey, batho bale, bang roastile, ba roasta le lone legwinya la teng. Some people were even saying, people were even saying, I was trying to make pancakes. Imagine pancakes because I use the pan obviously. So today I'm going to use a bigger pot and I'm going to hoy in the oil. It's going to be on medium heat. Let me switch on the heat so that I don't get problems, okay? I'm going to hoy in the oil right now. I don't know how much oil I'm going to use because I'm not going to make a lot of magwinya. I'm probably going to make about 8 because this dough is not a lot. So I'm gonna make maybe 8 magwinya. And then yeah, we'll see how it goes, okay? We will see how it goes. Okay, we're gonna hoy the oil. We need to put in a lot of oil. And yeah, actually put over a little bit over half of the bottle. And this is the dough I'm gonna make. Smalling in a bowls. I hope the size will be right, okay? Bear with me, guys. Okay, so this dough was in the fridge this whole time. So it's kind of hard. Oh, my God. I don't know how small these magwinyas are supposed to be, but this is the size that I'm gonna go with. Because the last time I made huge magwinyas, like they were so huge. Yo. Okay, these are the small little bowls that I was able to make. Now I need to put them in here, okay? I just hope everything turns out the way that I actually envision it to be. But we'll just see. Okay, now I am baptizing the small little balls. I am baptizing them in oil. Woo! Better not burn myself. I don't know if I should close the pot or I'm just supposed to what? I don't know. I'm not gonna close the pot though. Okay now, okay. This is what suffering from success looks like. I did it. Where are my haters now, huh? Where are they? Where are my haters? Yo, okay, now I need to open it inside and see what I actually did. Okay? Okay, let's see what we're working with. Come. Label tweezy. Let me taste it now. Okay, it's a bit crispy though. I don't know if it's supposed to be like this. Niliving. Thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for my next videos. I will try as much as possible to upload every week, at least once a week. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.